Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations. This is a 10-inch MDF base in which I found the center, drew some circles, created grids, and the angles are marked at 45, 90 and 135. The same is what I followed in this part of the circle too. Let us get started with dotting. I'll start with dotting in the center in white. Now I'm going to keep some dots in sky blue. Now I'll keep tiny dots in sky blue. Now I'll keep some dots in blue. I don't know what blue it is. It's a created shade of blue. Now I'll keep some tiny dots. Now some dots in light blue. Now I'll keep some tiny dots. Now I'll keep some created shade from turquoise blue. Now I'll keep some tiny dots. Now I'll keep some white dots. Now I'll keep two side swipes in a created shade of blue. I'll keep two more side swipes in turquoise blue shade. I'll keep some sky blue dots now. Now I'll keep white dots, then make it to a swipe. Now I'll keep some white dots. Now I'll keep some sky blue dots. I'll work the dots in sky blue now. Now I'll keep some dots in created shade of light blue. I'll work the dots now. I'll keep some dots in turquoise blue shade. I'll keep some dots in light blue. I'll work the dots in light blue now. Now I'll work the dots using the shade that I created in turquoise blue. I'll top dot all the white dots with turquoise blue shade. Now I'll keep lumpy white dots, then make it to a swipe. I'll make these dots into swipes now. Now I'll keep side swipe in a lighter shade of blue I created. I'm sure this dot mandala came out really well. Thank you for watching this video.